Hi, I'm Sarah. A few months ago, our family decided to take let's call it an egg-sighting journey towards self-sufficiency. It all started when we got fed up with the rising costs at the grocery store. Eggs, especially, were getting ridiculously expensive. That's when we decided to start our journey to become more self-sufficient. We would get chickens to produce our very own fresh eggs. We would need a chicken coop for our ladies in laying. A quick trip to M&D Enterprises, and we purchased the perfect one from a knowledgeable, friendly team member. The best part? The price included delivery. Before we knew it, our beautiful new coop arrived, ready to house our future feathered friends. We couldn't wait to get started. The anticipation of welcoming our chickens was building up, and we were all thrilled to begin this new chapter in our lives. Getting the chickens was an adventure in itself. The kids were so excited, they named each one before we even got home. At first, I was worried about the responsibility, but it turned into a fantastic opportunity to teach our kids about care and commitment. Every morning, they'd rush out to feed and water the chickens. It became their favorite chore. Imagine that. And then, the moment we'd been waiting for arrived. Our first home-laid egg. The look on the kids' faces, priceless. They'd never been so excited about breakfast before. The taste difference between our fresh eggs and store-bought, night and day. You can really taste the love and the bugs they eat. It's not just about the eggs, though. Our chickens have become part of the family, each with their own personality. If you're thinking about taking the plunge into chicken raising, I can't recommend M&D Enterprises enough. Their coops are top-notch. Trust me, once you've had farm-fresh eggs from your own backyard, you'll never want to go back to store-bought. It's been an incredible adventure in self-sufficiency, sustainability, and family bonding. All thanks to a few chickens and a well-built coop. So why not start your own egg-sighting journey today? Your family and your taste buds will thank you.